A Walmart renewal usually fails because of a payment problem, an expired card, outdated billing information, or a temporary issue processing the subscription instead of a problem with your Walmart account itself. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause and get your Walmart membership active again. The first thing to check is your payment method. Open the Walmart app or website, sign into your account, go to your wallet or payment methods, and confirm that your default card hasn't expired and has the correct billing address. Even if the card works elsewhere, incorrect billing details can prevent a subscription renewal. Next, verify that your bank or card issuer didn't decline the transaction. Banks sometimes block recurring subscription charges if they appear unusual. If you see a declined payment, contact your bank or simply retry after confirming the card is authorized for recurring payments. If your payment method looks correct, remove the card from your Walmart account and add it again. This refreshes the stored payment information and often resolves billing errors caused by outdated payment tokens. Now, check your Walmart membership page. If the renewal failed, you may see a message asking you to update your payment information or manually renew your subscription. Complete any requested action before attempting another renewal. If you're using PayPal or another link payment service, sign into that account separately and make sure the funding source is still active. An inactive or removed funding source can prevent Walmart from completing the renewal. Another useful step is updating the Walmart app if you're renewing through your phone. If you're using the browser, refresh the page or try a different browser. Browser extensions, saved cookies, or outdated app data can occasionally interfere with subscription management. If the renewal still doesn't process, sign out of your Walmart account, sign back in, and try again. This refreshes your account session and can clear temporary account-related issues. You should also check whether your membership has already expired. If automatic renewal failed, manually purchasing a new Walmart membership after updating your payment method often restores your benefits immediately. If every payment method fails, contact Walmart customer support. Tell them the renewal failed, explain which payment methods you've already tried, and provide any error message shown during checkout. That information helps support identify whether the issue is related to billing, your account, or a temporary system problem. The quickest fixes are verifying your payment method, updating your billing information, re-adding your card, checking your bank, and renewing manually if necessary. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.